Question number 13. Calculate the volume of the sphere with diameter 4.8. The volume of the sphere, we are given the formula 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So diameter is 4.8 and the radius is going to be half of that, that is 2.4, right? So we'll use this radius. So now the volume formula is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So 4 over 3 pi r is 2.4 power 3. So let's calculate that one. I'll start from here. 2.4 power 3 times pi times 4, the whole thing divided by 3, which is 57.90. So we will write to three significant figures, 57.9 centimeter cubed, right? So that's number 13. Now number 14, by writing each number in calculation correct to one significant figure, work out the estimated value of this. You must show all your working. So to estimate this, we need to have the easiest calculation. So 6.7 can be written as 7, 2.1 is 2, and 18 we can write as one significant figure is 2, 20, and 5.9 can be written as 6. So this is 14, 20 minus 6 is also 14. So final answer is going to be 1, right? Now number 15. Eric has 4 colors of paint. The table shows the probability that he uses each color. So here is the probability given: red, blue, green, yellow. So we have the probabilities here. Find the value of x. Now we know that sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. So we are going to add all these. So let's see. It's 0.3 plus 0.35 plus 0.13, so which is 0.78. So 0.78. So 0.78 plus x is equal to 1. So x is going to 1.078. So this comes out to be 0.22, right? That is the answer for that one. Now number 16, factorize completely. So just take out whatever is common. So these both are divisible by 8 and 20 divisible by 4. So we will take out 4 and x is there in both. So 4x goes out. Here is 2x minus 4 times 5. So 4x into 2x minus 5, right? So question number 17, part A, the nth term of the sequence Tn is given to us 10 minus n squared, right? Write down the first 3 terms. So guys, remember to underline the keywords so that you can understand the question correctly. Write down the first 3 terms. So we are looking for the first term, that n is 1. So T1, just replace n by 1. So this is 10 minus 1 squared. This is 9. T2, again 10 minus 2 squared. 10 minus 4 is 6. And T3 is 10 minus 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. 10 minus 8 is sorry guys, this is square. 2 square, 3 square, this is 3. 3 squared is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1, right? So 9, 6 and 1 are the first 3 terms. Okay. Now part B, these are the first 4 terms of another sequence. This is another sequence, not this one. Write an expression for the nth term. So first let's see how it works. 7 plus 3 gives you 10. 10 plus 3 plus 3. So common difference is of 3. So we have first term as 7 and common difference is 3. So we have the formula of nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term. First term is 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 3. So 7 plus 3n minus 3. So combine the like terms. 7 minus 3 is 4 plus 3n. So nth term is 3n plus 4. Right. Now number 18, the length L meter of a piece of wood is 3.6 meters, correct to 10 centimeters. Write the statement about this. So we are looking for the upper bound and lower bound of 3.6 meters, right? So it is meters. So meters is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we are taking half of that. So divide it by 2, it gives you 50 centimeters, right? But we are looking for the meter. So divide it by 100. So that gives you 0.05. So we are going to add 0.05 here, subtract 0.05. So this is 3.65 and this will become 3.55. So 3.55 goes for the lower bound and the upper bound is 3.65. Right? Now number 19, calculate 1 divided by 6.4 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Give your answer in a standard form. So 1 over 6.4 times 10 power minus 5. So if you see this this thing power positive, it's gonna be 10 power 5 if you bring it up in the numerator. So 10 power 5 is 1 2 3 4 5 zeros divided by 64. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros and divided by 6.4. This gives you 15.625. Sorry, there is no point. This is 15,625. So we are writing this in a standard form. To standard form, the decimal should be here. So decimal is here. If there is, it's not shown here, the decimal is here. So this is gonna be like 1 2 3 4 units left. So it's gonna be 625 10 raised to power 4. That is the final answer for this one. Right? Now next question, number 20. Without using calculator, work out 1 over 7. So how do you do that? This is 2 times 7 plus 1 over 7. 2 times 7 14 plus 1 it's 15. 15 over 7 divided by 5 over 9, right? So 15 over 7, this turns into multiplication and we will take reciprocal of this, 9 over 5. Now we are going to simplify. So 5 divided by 5 is, this is 3 here. So 3 times 9 is 27 over 7. So divide it. 7 times 3 21. So remainder is 6 here. So remember how to write down. Some students make mistake here. So denominator remains denominator, right? And remainder goes up here. Remainder is 6. Divisor goes here. So 6 over 7 is the final answer, right? So you see, this is very easy question and you can easily score 3 marks out of this. Okay, so don't leave these kind of questions. Okay, now number 21, and the diagram shows a right angle triangle. You can see right angle is here. Use the information in the diagram to write down the and solve the equation for the value of x. So for the value of x, you know, we have the angles here. So we can write down the only thing that we can do here about the angles. So we know that the sum of angles of triangle add up to 180 degree. So this is 4x plus this angle 3x minus 1 plus this angle 90 is equal to 180. Now we can just simplify as much as we can to find out the value of x. 4 plus 3 is 7x, right? Minus 1, 180 minus, we are shifting 90 to other side, negative. So this will become 90. 7x, now shift 1 on other side, 91. So 7x is 91. Divide by 7, it gives you 13. So value of x is 13, right? Again 3 marks question, very simple question. Now let's see the next question. Okay, number 22. Again we have a right angle triangle here. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. Calculate the value of y. Now first of all you need to know what is y. Y is an angle. So this is right angle triangle and we are given the side, so we can easily use SOHCAHTOA. I hope you all know that, right? This is sine, cosine, tangent. Opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, opposite over adjacent. So adjacent, opposite is this side, this is opposite, right? And adjacent is just beside there, so this is adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, opposite and adjacent is involved here with the tan theta. So that means tan tangent of y is equal to opposite. Opposite is 7.5 over adjacent. Adjacent is 12.8. So let's do this one here. 7.5 divided by 12.8. So 0.5859. 5859. So y is going to be tan inverse 0.5859. So let's see, tan inverse 0.5859, which is 30.36. So this is 30.36. So approximately we can write down 30.4. So this is 30.4, right? Now number 23, we have two triangles here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now these two triangles are similar. Similar means they have same shape but not the size. Calculate the value of h. So we will use the rule of similarity here. So the sides, this is because triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, right? So then 5.6, we can just write it the way we need. H over this, h over 5.6 equals to 8.1 divided by 7.2. So h is going to be 8.1 over 7.2 times 5.6, right? So let's see, 8.1 times 5.6 divided by 7.2, 6.3. So value of h is 6.3, right? Now number 24, is it the last question? No, we have one more question here. So number 24, before we start number 24, if you guys have reached up to this video, so please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and press the like button if you liked it, and I will wait for your comments, in your feedback as a comment. Please let me know about the video and how you like the content. Okay guys, question 24, we have this the universal set here. We are given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K up to K. F is this one, B is this one. Complete the diagram. So F is face, F-A-C-E. First of all, this is the common area. We need to see what is common here. A is common, C is common, right? So A and C can be here. So F is already there. A, C, what is left? E, right? And then here is B and K. You can write anywhere, right? D and H are there. So we need to see if everything is in there. So we have A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is outside. E, F, I don't see G. G is missing. G, H, I, J, K. So where are you going to put them? So think about that. If they are not in F and D, they are going to be outside, right? So outside we are going to write, let me just check it again. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is there. E is there. F is there. G is not there, so we will put G outside. And H is there. I we can put outside. J and K is there. J is not there, so we can put J also outside these circles, right? Find number of elements in F union B. F union B is all these elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of elements are 6 here, right? So now let's move to the next one, the last question of this paper. So at a cinema hall, or an adult ticket costs $A and the child tickets cost $C. Farha buys 3 adult tickets and 4 child tickets for 38.50. Complete the statement. 3 times A, 4C equals to 38.50. Simple, right? You can even skip 0, so 38.5. Now part B, Hannah buys 6 adult tickets and 5 child tickets for 65. Write down another equation for in terms of A and C. Adult tickets 6A adult tickets and 5 child 5C equals to 65. So it's gonna be 6A plus 5C equals to 65, right? Now part C, we have here solve the two simultaneous equations. We have these 2 simultaneous equations. I will rewrite them. 3A plus 4C equals to 38.5. This is 6A plus 5C equals to 65, right? So now to make one of the coefficients same, I'll multiply here by 3. So I'm going to multiply this equation by 3. So when we multiplied this by 3, sorry, not 3, 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So we are going to multiply this by 2. So this I'm rewriting this everything. So this will become 6A plus 4 times 2 8C equals to 38.5 times 2. 38 times 0.5 times 2, it's 77. So down we have 6A plus 5C equals to 65. Now we are going to subtract. So remember, whenever you subtract, you need to change the signs of the lower equation. This is positive here, it will become negative, negative and negative. So 6A minus 6A is cancelled. 8 minus 5. Now you are going to consider this sign. 8 minus 5 is 3C. Now you subtract this one. 7 minus 5 to 12. So C is going to be 12 over 3, which is 4. So C is 4, right? So value of C is 4. Now we can easily find out value of A by substituting the values, right? So I'm taking the second equation. 6A plus 5C is equal to 65. I'm trying to avoid the decimal actually. C 6A, C is now 4. 5 times 4 equals to 65. 6A plus 20 equals to 65. So minus 20 both sides. So this will become 6A equals to, this is the 45 divide by 6 divide by 6. So 3 times 2, it is 15. 15 over 2 is 7.5. So value of A is 7.5, that I'm going to write down in the space provided, right? So that's it for this paper. I hope you guys understood everything. Let me know in the comment section, and please support by subscribing the channel. I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much guys. God bless you.